Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, thinio scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli, ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila bandaj puli, da ka education loan, pila urban chukol ha number, khandai nyo, saw, san rin pranon, lani khandai pran rio laisan, an riway khandai pran.
Unong yalam jong ka All India Trinamool Congress Mukul Sangma la keno ba ka jing Ïaroh jong unong yalam ka Seng Congress uba Vincent Pala ya usembut menteri rang ba ka jela uba Preston Tensong uba badru ya ka tanat kampo yeng ha ka jela ka pauting keren ba udon jing tmu ban penyaso bat ka National People's Party. Ha ka jing krem ikla pathai khubor umukul sangma laong bakum kini ki jaj politician kim dan jing singau ruem namar baki yo nong nagi kambe an da ka basyong harensan ban peni ba ka byang bet ban ong ba ukatli ubayong ba ukatli ruon ong yau kiu ba udai ubayong.
Have you gone through the different strictures given by the Honorable High Court? You go by that. These are shameless politicians. They benefit out of all these illegalities. That's why they're playing to the gallery to show that, to tell that the cattle is black, the cattle telling the pot black. What was he saying before the election? And today he has to, somehow create a kind of a situation. Maybe he wants to join NPP. Maybe there's a reason he's giving this whole statement to get this whole kind of hurdles cleared. I have no reason to doubt about that intent. Just see, watch it, I'm telling you.